Can you make money online without having to invest a penny to begin with? Absolutely. The question is not if, but how. So let me tell you. Hi, I'm Lidia, a social media manager and an online business owner, and I have managed to make over $2,000 online without investing anything, and as a beginner with minimum skills and knowledge. And today I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing. Let's begin. The first obvious option out there is freelancing. For this, you only need to have the skills or the minimum knowledge on a subject to be able to help other people do something because they don't have the time or the knowledge to do it themselves. You can start on websites like Fiverr or Upwork, and you don't have to invest a penny to begin with, but these websites will take a commission out of your earnings once you have sold a gig or a project to people you're working with. As a freelancer, you need to possess a set of skills to be able to do a job correctly without having to invest in education first. You don't need to be an expert, but you need to have a set of skills and to have a little bit more knowledge than the regular amount of people so you can help them in that field. If you want to make money online as a freelancer on Fiverr or on Upwork and have no idea how to start or what to do, just browse to the gigs on Fiverr, for example, and see what other people are offering. If for 1 second you think, hey, I could do this too, or I'm good at this, you can start with that exact type of gig. You can get inspiration from other gigs to create a selling-worthy gig on Fiverr, but do not copy other people. If you still have no idea what to do as a freelancer, you can download my 50+ jobs to do as a freelancer online from the link below. That will not only teach you what jobs you can do, but I also wrote a description on each job, how much money you can make from it, and how to start. Besides going on Fiverr or Upwork to perform your freelance services, you can create a landing page on free websites like WordPress or Blogspot and share that with your friends and family. To learn more about how to become a freelancer online, you can watch my Become a Freelancer video. The next way you can start making money online with a minimal investment is by starting an Etsy printables shop. The only investment you're going to be making is 20 cents per listing of a product, and Etsy will also be taking a commission out of your sales once they're done. But this is a really minimal investment, and you don't have to take care of shipping, you don't have to take care of handling the product, because they're just digital downloads that people just get in their basket and download in their computer once the purchase is done. And the best part about this, you can spend an hour, let's say, to create a product or more, but you can sell it thousands of times and without putting any more work in after that. So this is not only a great way to make money online, but this is a great way to start as a side hustle or a passive income idea. The third way is dropshipping on Etsy. You can use apps as Printify to create your products, and they provide the mockups for your products themselves. So you don't have to spend money on product photography, and they get listed on your website automatically. Whenever somebody purchases something through your Etsy shop, it goes directly to Printify, and they send out the product to the customer, and they take a commission out of their sale for shipping, handling the actual product, but you remain with a good amount of money for promoting and actually selling that product. So all will be left for you to do is to promote those products. Obviously, after designing the products and making sure they are sell-worthy. You can design from t-shirts to mugs to homeware, all on Printify, and you can even see the mock-up of the design before even putting it up to sale. So if you want to give this a try, you should. Remember though to keep your Etsy shop niche down so you can target a certain audience that will want to buy more than one of your products. The fourth way is starting a YouTube channel. As you know, getting monetized on YouTube is not that easy, but what will make it easier is that you would have a niche channel, you will post videos that people are interested in and that you've researched. So there's no impossible way. I know people that have grown and reached the threshold for monetization in less than a month because they stayed consistent and they researched the videos and their content was amazing. So starting a YouTube channel is completely free if you already have a camera, a smartphone, or a computer to edit your videos on, but all this can be done with a smartphone as well. I'm going to be creating a video on this soon, so stay tuned for that and subscribe if you haven't already. Obviously, you can make money from your YouTube channel from AdSense if you have reached the threshold for monetization of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last year. But there are also a bunch of other ways to make money with your YouTube channel that does not include ads. That can include promoting your products, your services, affiliate marketing, and more. I'll be posting a video on this soon, so if you want to know when that goes up, make sure to press that notifications bell. Another way you can make money online without an investment is by growing an Instagram account. Not only having a big following on your Instagram account will make you very appealing to brands, but by posting high quality images on your Instagram account and keeping it aesthetically pleasing will make brands not only want to send you free products to post on your feed, but they will also be paying you to post your products on your feed and to share them with your followers. So brands will basically give you money to post on your Instagram account about their products. But for that you will have to have like a huge following, but that doesn't mean you can make money on Instagram with less than that amount of followers. I know people who have made money or received free products with 5k followers on Instagram. So make sure that if you have a small following, you are the one reaching brands and telling them about all the reasons they should trust you to promote their products, such as your following is great, your followers are engaged and actually trust you and your opinions, and so on. Number 7, grow a Pinterest account. Growing a Pinterest account is basically the same as growing an Instagram one, but only brands will not be so happy to work with you on sending you products, but you can promote anyone's products yourself without having to be an influencer. If your Pinterest account is huge and you have a lot of monthly viewers, people will see your pins without having to know who you are. So you can start promoting any product you want, but by keeping your niche down and having a focus on your Pinterest account to receive followers and people that actually trust and follow your account. But you can promote any product you want by joining affiliate programs and by adding your affiliate links to the pins you're posting, so that when somebody clicks on that pin, they will be led to that website through your affiliate link. So when they make a purchase because they've seen something on Pinterest, they will make a purchase through your link, which will give you a commission out of that sale. Remember to create branded pins and original pins for the products you're promoting so you can stand out and have a niched Pinterest account. The next way you can make money online apparently these days is with TikTok. Believe it or not, people are making money every single day on TikTok by posting or being huge, or people are just making money by creating TikTok and growing TikTok accounts and then selling them to other people. You can try creating TikTok accounts on certain topics such as makeup or fashion and create fun videos for them so you can grow that account on that niche, and then you can sell them to brands that have that specific niche. So to a makeup brand, to a fashion brand, because their target audience is already following that account, they will not unfollow immediately and they actually might be interested in what the brand has to offer. The next and final way to make money online is with a little investment, but it's an investment that you will be proud of, and that is by starting a blog or a website. So I'm saying it requires a small investment because with Bluehost and WordPress you can start a website with under €3 per month. I paid like $160 for 3 years of hosting and I got the domain name for the first year for free. So for the next 2 years, I will only be paying about $20 for the domain name. Added up, this only leads to $200 to have a website for 3 years. Has it been worth it? Totally. And now I'm going to tell you why it is important to have a blog or a website for your business. Not only I have a website where my clients can see and purchase my services from, but I have a brand image, and that is my website. People can go there to find my YouTube channel, my videos, my social media accounts. They can go there to read my blog and learn more tips on growing online on social media and growing your online business. I can also make money with affiliate marketing by having a website, because most affiliate programs don't accept you unless you have a website or a blog. I can also make money with Google AdSense by putting ads on my website, and because it is my website, I can add as many ads as I want. I can write articles on my blog, I can pin from my website so people will be led to my website through my Pinterest account. And it is a lot more appealing to brands when you tell them you have a website where you can write an article for them so they can sponsor it. Most brands want to know that you have a website as an image of your brand as a whole, and most importantly, it is personalized to my own desires. So this is what I love about having a website. It gives me full freedom to do whatever I want and to show my brand's image as I want it. And the reason I have chose Bluehost as my hosting platform and WordPress integration is because it is the cheapest out there I could find, and it is the one that has been the most helpful in the past because I have built another website with it as well and I haven't been disappointed. It has WordPress integrated, which makes it so easy to design your website. You can choose from the free WordPress themes or purchase ones from Creative Market or any other website you want. And the part that I love most about it is that it has tons of plugins you can choose from, like Elementor, to design your own website the way you want it exactly without any restrictions, which is something I couldn't find on any other platforms I got interested in. So you can do that with less than €4 per month. Sometimes it's less than 3 euros per month as they have sales a lot. You can pay once for 3 years and not have to worry about it. And for me that was amazing because I only had that little amount to invest of $200 and I found Bluehost and WordPress, which helped me a lot to create my website and start my freelancing journey right. After almost a full year of using it for my freelance business, I can tell you it has been worth it, and I'm so proud of myself for making that decision back then. You can start with Bluehost today by clicking the link in the description or by going to the link that I'm putting on the screen right now. So there you have it. These are a bunch of ways you can start making money online without having to invest a dime or investing a little bit amount that will benefit you so much in the future. Now all you need is a lot of determination, consistency, and hard work. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of this so far and if they have worked for you. Do you want to try any other ones in the future? Comment down below. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you out, and if you want to subscribe for more videos every Tuesday and Friday, you should do so, and also press the notifications bell. Thank you again for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next one.